What do you consider the 2 or 3 most important lessons that we should be learning from this horrific experience?
We've known in disaster mitigation for a long time that every dollar you invest today saves, depending on the circumstances, anywhere from 6 to 8 to 10 or more dollars in the future. And we are seeing the value of preparation as well as the cost of lack of preparation today. I think what we're also seeing, though, is what's important to us. For so long, we have been increasingly fractured and divided along ideological and tribal lines. But what the pandemic is showing us is what climate change shows us too, and that is no matter who we are, no matter where we're from, no matter what language we speak, no matter what side of the political spectrum we're from, when it all comes down to it, what matters to us is the same, and that is the health and the safety of our family, our friends, our loved ones, our communities, and more.
This is a little bit of a reminder that the issues of climate change and infectious disease are also inextricably intertwined. While this particular virus may not be the product of climate change, we know that lots of other viruses are, because they destroy habitat. Climate change destroys habitat, and as a result, humans and animals get into closer proximity. You have zoonotic disease spread from animals to humans, and then on from humans to other humans. You also have climate change changing the habitat of various vectors, particularly mosquitoes that spread other kinds of diseases, not this disease, but other kinds of diseases that are infectious diseases.
So if I could summarize what might be the root of the frustration in a single sentence, I would say that many of our fellow citizens simply don't trust us. They don't trust journalists, they don't trust scientists, they don't trust government officials. Does it really all come down to trust? And if so, what can we possibly do about that?
And our mistake has been that we think that facts will change people's minds. If we just present the truth will be blindingly obvious to everyone. If they don't agree with us, we just have to present more scientific evidence, and then surely they'll agree. And what we have learned is that that is not the way the human brain works. Today, the #1 predictor on issues that are politically polarized is not how much education we have, how smart we are, how much science we know, how scientifically literate we are. The #1 predictor on politically polarized science issues of what we think is simply what elite cues tell us. Elite cues are people who we trust, whose values we share.